In this tutorial, I'll demonstrate how to create a vignette or an image. Instead of having an edge, a straight edge around the entire image, it's more or less floating on the piece of paper. So to begin with, this is what it'll look like. To begin with, you're going to create a new layer on top of your background image. You're going to fill it with white. I have the foreground color white, the background color black. I have the paint bucket, so all I have to do is click on it. And then you're going to use a brush of your choice. You could download some brushes from brusheasy.com. They're all free, or you could select some of the preset ones. I'm just going to use the one, a preset one. But in order to paint, you can't paint white on white, so you have to flip the color foreground, background, and you could do that by hitting the letter X on the keyboard. So this is just going to be a quick demo. But right now it's very symmetrical. I have the same pattern over and over and over again. So what you can do is go to Window, Brush, and then you'll see this sphere. You could rotate it, and then it rotates the brush. I could rotate it again, and it'll rotate it. So now the next thing you have to do after you finish, try not to take the brush all the way to the edge. If when you're using the brush and you go too far and you have a straight edge there, just flip the foreground background by hitting X again, and you could paint back with white to erase it for the most part. Then with a blend mode, trial and error, see what works. I know already that screen works really good, and you could tell that lighten, there's a little bit of a different change with it. So I really like this one. And that's pretty much it. This is how you create a vignette. It's not as good as this one, but there you go.